So let's do this. Let's start holding both buttons. When screen turns off, we will release bottom button. And when we see rebooting, just press few times top button. Now we have this menu. We can move through this menu just clicking top button. And for confirm our choose, we need hold top button. So we choose download virus, and now let's confirm. Now when we in virus download mode, it's okay, but we need to change VPS mode to AP mode. For this we need double click top button. Connection mode change, AP.